In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage remote teams with Asana. 5 minutes. Start by opening Asana in your browser. On the login page, enter your email address, click Continue, then type your password and select Login. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace or organization by checking the top navigation. This ensures your projects and teams appear in the right place. Next, create a team to organize your work. Think of a team as the container for related projects like marketing, product, or client services. Give it a clear, recognizable name and add a short description so everyone understands the team's purpose. Invite your teammates to the workspace and set appropriate access permissions. Add core members to the team, and if you collaborate with contractors or stakeholders, give them the least access needed to do their work. This helps keep information organized and secure. Before you build projects, align on conventions. Decide how you'll name projects, how tasks should be structured, and how you'll communicate updates. For example, you might use a consistent pattern like client initiative quarter, and agree that status updates live in Asana comments, not in scattered chats. This consistency saves time and eliminates ambiguity. Now organize work into projects. Choose a list or board layout depending on how your team thinks. Use sections to define phases or categories, and break larger tasks into subtasks so responsibilities and handoffs are crystal clear. Subtasks are great for checklists within a larger deliverable. Assign each task to a specific owner to create accountability. Add collaborators if others need visibility, but keep a single assignee so it's always clear who's driving the work. Add deadlines to tasks to keep projects on schedule. When possible, include start dates as well as due dates so everyone understands the timeline and can plan their week accordingly. Use labels, tags, or custom fields to prioritize. Simple fields like high, medium, and low, or categories such as blocked and ready, make it easy to sort and focus on what matters most. Custom fields also power helpful views and reports. Finally, keep everything current. Update task statuses, leave concise comments with decisions or feedback, and mark tasks complete when done. Regular, lightweight updates reduce meetings and keep your remote team aligned. With these practices in place, Asana becomes your single source of truth for planning, execution, and clear communication across time zones.